Good morning, friends and family. 7 steps to maintaining your pool. So if you're fortunate enough to own a pool, these are 7 steps that you want to take to make sure that you get the most longevity out of the pool for as long as that you possibly can. My name is Peter G. I'm a licensed realtor in Nova Scotia. I own a property management company. I'm an entrepreneur first and foremost, and what I do is I help other people solve their problems by connecting those people to other people, or those people to ideas such as this one. So how to maintain a pool. According to thisoldhouse.com, the article suggests first and foremost, step 1, get rid of debris. So skimming the surface of the pool for floating debris and emptying the skimmer basket takes just a minute or 2. Dispose of this waste away from the pool so it can't blow back into the water or be tracked back into this area. This is very similar to like brushing your teeth. If you brush your teeth 3 times a day for 2 minutes each time, you're likely to maintain a good, healthy, hygienic smile. Waiting and not brushing your teeth for days at a time and then trying to crush a 5, 6, 8, 10-minute toothbrush in your mouth will not give you the same ROI. Or as I'd like to say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but waiting to Sunday to have 7 apples does not do the same thing. So just stay on top of it with step 1 by removing debris on a regular. Step 2, set up the vacuum. So direct the nozzle of the return jets on the pool, sides downward to quiet surface ripples so you can see the bottom clearly. Details to follow on that article. Step 3, vacuum the pool. So the average pool requires 30 minutes of vacuuming. Move slowly across the water in overlapping parallel lines like mowing a lawnmower. Excellent tip and trick. Step 4, adjust the chemicals. So test and correct pool chemistry weekly. That is, every week you want to test and correct your pool chemistry. Talks about what acids to use, and it gives you an idea of what metrics that you should be using on the article. If chlorine is below 1 part per million, so on and so forth, above 90, it talks about all that stuff in this article. Step 5, backwash and filter. So turn the filter valve to backwash to redirect water flow. And then step number 6, clean and pump the filter. So clean out the hair, the lint, everything that's caught in the catcher in the pump. Next, first shut the system off, then close the skimmer valve in front of the pump to hold the water in place so the system won't need repriming when it starts up again. And then step number 7 to maintaining your pool is add chlorine to the system. So if you have a chlorinator, a tube-like tank next to the filler, it's a great way to introduce chlorine in the form of slow dissolving sticks into the pool. That said, you can also use a floating container. Those of you who have pools may or may not know what that stuff is. This article will help you out. Again, my name is Peter G., licensed realtor in Nova Scotia, own a property management company. My contact info for tips, tricks along like this one is 1902-817-7117. Email peterg@supercityrealty.com and or peter@pvgmanagement.com. Hope this helps. See you next time. Thank you.